How's it going, guys? It's Sean here, and I'm working here with my boy Robin, and we're doing some turbo.
What are we working on?
Focus, guys.
Well done.
All right, so today we got Moose's 2020 992 Carrera 4S in for some Vossens. This car already has our downpipes and titanium exhaust.
Go ahead and get started with the Vossens. Get the tires off, the wheels, and get over to the tire mounting machine.
You a real boss. When you change your tires, because you got a nail right there, you're like, you know, I'm just slap on the Vossens wheels.
Money, 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 money.
You feel me? It's crazy. You know, it's boss level over here. You know, it's nothing but boss.
These wheels off. Let's get the impact gun first. Let's find that. I don't know where that's at. Why you always put the impact gun somewhere where it's not supposed to be, man?
First of all, my name is Robin.
Oh, my bad, Robin.
That's Sean, everybody. Okay. There was big confusion over social media. That's Sean. I'm Robin Williams.
He drive the 328.
I got the 328, fastest in South Florida. Okay, and the freshest and the cleanest. And he has the fastest stock motor F340 in all of Florida.
Unopened. Unopened, baby.
Unopened.
True unopened. Ta-da! Welcome to the great outdoors of M-Tech Performance. We have nothing but G-Series and Mercedes-Benz and this brand new Q50 and this mint condition EM1 on the Civic. And he said that, you know you gotta stick to your roots. Who put that there?
Para. Wow. They're on the vlogs. What do you mean? What you got going on over here, Justin?
Building a motor.
Oh, that boy doing big boy shit. You hear that? Just some simple dropping of pistons, nothing too crazy.
Yeah, just a regular.
Here, my boy going with that pier. Little slight work. All right, impact guns over here. What I came here for. Usually when I walk around, I end up doing 1,000 more things before I actually get to what I was doing. Impact gun's not over here. God damn. Hold up. Hey. Nah. It's hard to lose a gun like this big. It's crazy. I'm back. I found it. You see that torque? Oh, you see that? Oh, you see that torque on that gun, boy? Yeah. You see that torque? Let me put on the dyno real quick. Let me put on the dyno. Let me see how much. Oh yeah, that's about 1,000 foot-pounds right there. That's 1,000 foot-pounds. All right. Oh. You see that? It's an 18, baby. My bad. My bad. Okay, here we go. Oh. It's a 19. Don't put that in there. 0 for 2.
Do you know what you're doing?
So when you go on the tool truck, you buy everything, so you know you got everything. Oh damn. Oh, can't get the wheel off without that, I'll tell you that right.